Required
Here, so
weekly
I'm looking
test
forward
number
to-
175 EAS number 3587. Station, WRVAAM, Richmond, Virginia. Frequency, 1140 kHz.
The future you hope.
Required weekly test number 176 EAS number 3588. Station, WRNLAM, Richmond, Virginia. Frequency, 910 kHz.
Required monthly test number 103 EAS number 3589. Station, WRVAAM, Richmond, Virginia. Frequency, 1140 kHz.
This is a test of the Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information.
Ah, wow. Congratulations and welcome.
Required monthly test number 104 EAS number 3590. Station, KCBS-AM, San Francisco, California. Frequency, 740 kHz.
This is a regularly scheduled monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
KCBS News Time is 4:51.